Hi everyone, this is Diane. Today is Sunday. I try to take my weekend days to do some play. Yesterday I played with my new stamps that I got at the flea market last Monday. And today I have been cleaning my craft room. It was a pretty big disaster. So it's late. It's actually time for dinner, but I'm going to wait because I wanted to show you my strawberry collection, because as I'm still working on the everyday journals, I wanted to also work on something that I could actually make videos of in the process. So I looked at my list, and the next thing on the list is strawberry journals. So I got excited about that, and I thought, I have this big box of supplies and we're going to go through that together. I love it when I get to get out my supplies and actually see what's there, how much I've collected, because I'll just get some stuff and then just open up the box and throw it in, or the envelope or whatever it's contained in, put it in there, and then I don't remember everything that's in there. So I have these book covers that could be possible covers. They're in shades of rose or red, or I love the denim. I think these are going to be too small, though, for the digital kit. But wouldn't they be fun strawberry journals? So we'll see what I can make work. And I have this little one because of one of the digital kits that I have. So I do have two digital kits. This one is from Chapter 1 Papers, and it is smaller journal pages than I expected. I guess I didn't read it properly, but I love the pages, and they're even too small for this book. But if I have scrapbook paper cut to this size and then have these little pages in there. So let's just take a look at the pages quickly. I will link the kit below. I love the strawberries with blue. I like using blue gingham and eyelet lace with strawberry images. And I think that this beautiful romantic style is going to go really nicely with some eyelet and blue gingham, don't you? And then there are some digital or ephemera pieces, very small pieces. Beautiful little envelope there. Tiny little pockets. Lots of little pockets. I printed this one on cardstock because these are cards and little belly bands, some tags, and a couple more pages. So this is the kit from Chapter 1 Papers. And then I got this one from, I know the name is on one of these pages, Ginger Journals. I had never heard of Ginger Journals. I'll have to go back and all I did was Google strawberry digital journal kit. And I found this one, and it's a very good price. And I didn't want too much ephemera because I have so much stuff in the box here for ephemera. So I'll have to go back and check out Ginger Journals and see what else she has, but here's some of the pages. I love this page. I love this page. I think when I saw this page, when I was looking online, looking on Etsy, I was like, oh yes, I want that kit. So the other one would be more red and blue, and this one looks like I would use red and green more for this one. Now there were some pages that I didn't print. There was one that was like this, but it was solid red with white dots, and I just thought all of that red, like almost the whole page was red, and that would be a lot of red ink. And the other one was the same thing, but it was a darker green, like this shade of green with the white dots. So I am just going to use scrapbook paper instead of printing those, but this one I did. I love this one, and I love this little plaid. There is some ephemera with the kit. I like these little pieces, the fussy cut. There's a page of journal cards. And I love the jars. And they're a nice size too to use as a tag. Aren't they pretty? And these little tags with the rounded tops are cute. So we have these smaller ones and these larger ones, which is great to change out sizes like that. And I did go through my scrapbook paper just a little bit to pull things out, and I found a lot already. I'm not going to go through, not that. That was just mixed in with these. But I found a lot of things that I can pull from. So these are 8x8 papers. And that's just a scrap, but it has the dots. And then I just have these other papers that I can use. There's blues and pinks and greens and yellows, because the strawberries have yellow flowers, so I might want that color in there. So there's just lots of fun scrapbook papers. I won't have any trouble finding enough papers. Now let's look in the magic box. Can't wait to see what's in here. Get rid of that. Alright, so this is a vintage tablecloth piece, and I've had this for a long time, and this is the only piece I have left. I used that for fabric flips in my journals in previous years. These, I just got this booklet this year. I think it was when I went to Owego, and it was a strawberry seed book. So I got lots of images of these vintage images of strawberries. I love the ones where the strawberries are spilling out of the baskets, and I already fussy cut these. As soon as I bought that book, I just sat down one evening and fussy cut all the images out of it. So these all came out of one fun book that I got at an antique mall. Pumpkin doesn't belong in here. And this is a page from that book. I just have this little piece. I'm not sure where it came from, but it says "Bless My Garden," and I think it was from a scrapbook paper or punch outs or something. And I have some strawberry recipe cards that I got in Happy Mail, and they look like they're embroidered on there. There's a little strawberry applique, and this from a vintage recipe book that I have. And I just got this book out and use for my everyday journals. I used some images in my other journals, and I found this, so I saved it. I had recently found, oh, I forgot about these. These scrapbook papers at Michael's, I think, but these are cardstock thickness. But I love them. There are 5 sheets of this, and it came with the glitter paper. I don't know if I'll use that, but it's what it came with. And then this pattern is really nice for a strawberry journal, and then a plain green. So they all, and a red glitter also. They all came together. Put that with my scrapbook papers. I have some more images from vintage magazines. I think this is an ad for the paper towels. Oh, these are some more of those strawberries that came out of that book. So I got a lot, and I saved some of the words: big red delicious flavored berries, and just strawberries. That was on the front of the book. I have some recipe cards with strawberry recipes. I got this at Hobby Lobby, one of their new stamps after they did their clearance, and this was 40% off when I got it. So I'll try that one out. And I still have my Stampin' Up! One that I got last year, and I just had my Stampin' Up! Party. You can see I still have some elements left from last year. And I was able to order the punch. It's not a die set, it's a Strawberry Builder Punch, it's called, and it would punch out the strawberry and leaves, but I would still have to fussy cut this. That's the hardest thing to cut. So I still have some from last year, so that's good. I think this might have been a digital. It's from a encyclopedia. Got a little bit of fabric in here that I set aside for my strawberries. There's a newer magazine piece, and I have these ribbons that I got at Hobby Lobby recently when they were 50% off, I think. Yeah, 50% off. I hope you can see. It is getting late. But I love these ribbons. This one is like a woven denim with that other design on it. I just love them. I think they'll be great. Some more fabric. This is a digital of a label. I guess I thought that would be good in a strawberry journal. Some more recipe cards with strawberry recipes. Dr. Fowler's extract of wild strawberry cures summer complaints. These are some coasters with strawberries. I think I got them in a Happy Mail. They're pretty thick. If I can peel them, I might use them. I don't think I would use them with this thickness inside my book. This is a glassine basket liner. Another piece. Oh, this is a napkin. A wallpaper border with strawberries. Another piece of wallpaper. This is from gift wrap. I already have it all fussy cut. And this is just a fussy cut that came with a digital set. These were fabrics that came in a layer cake, 10 by 10 layer cake of fabric, and they're strawberries. See, you can see it's strawberries there, but they do this. They repeat the pattern in different colors. And I put some other fabrics that just coordinate with it. So I've got plenty of fabric to use. There is a note card, a large calendar page. Don't they look luscious? Another vintage. This came out of a kid's book. Recipe card. How to store berries. This came out of a recipe book. Oh, look at this. Lots of recipes with strawberries. Vintage magazine, vintage ad for strawberry seeds. These stickers came out of the antiquarian sticker book. That word just came out of a magazine. Strawberries. And this was from a gardening binder. Planting strawberries. How to make a shortcake. Vintage book. Magazine. And this is from a vintage magazine. And this is from a vintage magazine. They're pretty big. Just a little drawing of a strawberry plant. You can see the leaves and the flowers and the berries. Some little squares of fabric that have strawberries. This is a scrap left over from authentique paper. It's got ladybugs on that side. Little strip of wrapping paper and a just a list paper with some strawberries. These don't have pictures of strawberries, but they are large strawberry recipe cards. And these came from a scrapbook collection. I think it was Saucy from Authentique. But they have strawberries on them. Here's another vintage strawberry that came out of... I got it in a bunch of stuff that came from an old scrapbook. Got it at a flea market. There's a napkin. Did I already have a napkin? Seems like I saw one but didn't comment on it. Maybe I didn't. Oh, and look at these. I've got so much strawberry fabric. Yikes. I got enough fabric to make strawberry journals for years. There's a little tag and a little note card and a pink envelope. These are some more wrapping papers with strawberries. Oh, here's some more napkins. And some more napkins. Vintage labels that say strawberry, Denison type of labels. Some strawberry shortcake cards. Got a bunch of them. And some invitations. Strawberry fabric ribbon. I guess these envelopes go with the invitations. There's a pocket that I made, so I'm all set for that. Made that last year and didn't use it. This is, I think Mardell made these. And it's made with punches. It's a heart-shaped punch and a flower-shaped punch and another flower-shaped punch to make these beautiful little strawberries. I used a lot of them last year, but that's all I had left. This is a piece of linen that has embroidered strawberries on it. This was some stamps that I got and used, and that was just the cover piece, so it just has some strawberries on it. I've got a couple of wooden stamps, some more fabrics, love that one. So I don't know how many strawberry journals I'm going to make. Maybe I'll have to make a fabric covered one. That's just a little scrap from a scrapbook paper, a little piece of wrapping paper. I've got these little charms of strawberries. They look vintage. Here's one you can see. They look vintage. I got them in a Happy Mail. Some more of these cute little tags. And some more of, well, one more of those stickers. Some more strawberry recipe cards. They came in a booklet. Recipe. And, oh, this is a folder. So I don't know if I'll use that, but I have it. What is this? It was inside the folder. Someone did a drawing. Wonder how old that is. And some more recipe cards. So, do you think I have enough stuff to make strawberry recipe journals? Or, not recipe, but strawberry journals? Do you... how many journals do you think I could get out of all of this stuff? I can make a lot of journals with this stuff. I'll probably make at least 3 journals. Should I make some one signature ones with fabric, or I just don't know what I'm going to make yet, but I can start. I have an idea now of what I have, and I can cut out the pieces that I'm going to just put these in my little drawers. The pieces that I printed. Sorry, I didn't finish my thought. I can start cutting those out. And I can start making stuff with my stamps. So, I think I'm all set. Thanks for watching. I hope that you get excited about watching the I knew I had another napkin about the strawberry journals coming together. This has all kinds of berries, but it does have some strawberries. Yeah, I love the strawberry journals because I love strawberries, and I just love the pretty colors of the strawberry journals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back making some ephemera, maybe some book covers. I'll be doing some stuff on camera as I make these journals. I hope you're having a creative day today, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.